Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add watermark or logo to your Instagram reel. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all, I'm going to create a reel on my Instagram. I'm going to click on this plus button and I'm going to select reel, and I'm just going to pick a random video from my device. I'm gonna go with this one, and I'm going to add my username with logo to this Instagram reel. I'm gonna click on edit video, and we can click on add sticker, and then we can select cutout, and I'm just going to add Instagram logo right here, but I have already added cutout sticker, so I'm just going to use it. Okay, now the Instagram logo has been added to this reel, and I'm going to add my username as well, so it can be my watermark. Wait guys, I'm going to add tags as well. I'm going to go to add tags option, and I'm just going to add my username. Okay, click on done, and I'm going to add it right here. Okay, click on done, and this is the final result. As you can see that the logo has been added to this Instagram reel, and I'm going to click on this button to move to the next tab. Okay, now it's done, and once we're ready to share this Instagram reel, we can click on share, and the Instagram reel will be shared to our Instagram with the logo and username. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add watermark or logo to Instagram reel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.